boys and girls, scientists. You are learning about atmosphere today. And what is atmosphere? So on page 11 of your packet, you will see that it says lesson 2. What is atmosphere? What is the atmosphere? So before you get started, I would like you to fill out time to think. This time to think, put about 3 sentences about the weather that you learned so far. So it says, what is the weather like today? Is it different from yesterday? Pick some adjectives. So these are words that describe. Pick some of those adjectives that you could use to describe it, and then write some sentences about the differences between yesterday's weather and today's weather. And there is a little bit of a difference looking outside today. And then you're going to read the atmosphere, this page and this page. And you will see there's different layers of the atmosphere. And I don't know about you, but I look up to the sky, I see clouds. But guess what? There's some layers in there that you don't even realize are there. So we're going to be doing some really fun activities this week. They're in your distribution bag. That will be a craft that you will make layers of the atmosphere with. So I'm going to read this with you. So ready? Here we go. Page 13, the atmosphere. Here we go. You have yours in front of you. When we talk about the weather, we are referring to the state of the Earth's atmosphere at a given point in time and geographic location. The atmosphere is one part of the Earth's 4 systems. There are 4 major parts of the Earth that work together as a complex system. Geosphere, which would be the rock layer. And you can look at this in a moment, excuse me. Hydrosphere, hydro means water, that's the water layer. Biosphere, which is life, and atmosphere, which is air. So atmosphere is air. The 4 systems or spheres work together like a machine. They are always interacting with each other. Second paragraph. Many of the weathers that we experience are the result of the interactions between the atmosphere with Earth's rocks, water, and living things. So it's between the air with Earth's rocks, water, and living things. The atmosphere is the thin layer of gases that surround the Earth. Most of the atmosphere is made of oxygen and nitrogen. Oxygen is what we breathe. Nitrogen is another gas, excuse me. We need the oxygen in the atmosphere to breathe. Also, the atmosphere helps protect us from the sun's powerful energy, ensuring we don't get too hot or cold. The atmosphere also moves water to all parts of the Earth as rain. Without our special atmosphere and weather, we could not live on Earth. Next page. The atmosphere is made up of several layers. The troposphere is the layer closest to the Earth and reaches about 10 kilometers high. It's about 10 miles up, would be the first layer. The next layer is the stratosphere, which reaches up to 50 kilometers. The mesosphere starts just above the stratosphere and extends to 85 kilometers high. The thermosphere comes next, extending to 600 kilometers high. The top layer of our atmosphere is the exosphere, reaching up to 10,000 kilometers high, which would be outer space. The top layer is outer space. We're going to be making something like this and coloring something like this later this week, possibly Tuesday. So then after you watch my video, you're going to watch Bill Nye the Science Guy. He's the best at explaining anything science. So enjoy watching him, and thanks for listening. Have a good day.